Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to clear memory cache and make computer faster in Windows 11, 10. Right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Performance, click Memory. Now memory cache is 4.6 GB. Open any browser. Type RAM app in browser search bar. Download and install RAM map. Click Empty tab, click Empty Standby List. Memory cache is reduced 121 MB. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.